Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial questions to make your life a bit easier. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant, especially with cross-border transactions on the rise. How do you send money from Canada to America in 2025? Whether you're supporting family, handling business deals, or just shopping online, I'll walk you through the best methods step by step. First off, let's talk options. In 2025, the most straightforward way is through digital services like Wise or Revolut. These apps have evolved to offer lightning-fast transfers with competitive exchange rates. Simply download the app, link your Canadian bank account, and enter the recipient's US details. It's quick, often taking just minutes, and fees are usually lower than traditional banks. If you prefer the old-school route, your bank might still be a go-to. Banks like RBC or TD in Canada can wire money to U.S. institutions, but watch out, fees can add up, and it might take 1 to 3 business days. For larger amounts or more security, consider services like PayPal or Western Union, which are user-friendly but may have higher costs. Now, a crucial part: exchange rates and fees. In 2025, with the Canadian dollar fluctuating, always check real-time rates on platforms like Zelle or your app. Most services use the mid-market rate, but hidden fees can surprise you, so read the fine print. Also, for tax purposes, keep records of your transfers as regulations might have tightened. One exciting update for 2025 is the rise of blockchain-based transfers. Services like Ripple or new crypto options allow near-instant sends with lower costs, but they're not for everyone due to volatility. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and verify recipient details to avoid scams. Wrapping this up, sending money from Canada to the US doesn't have to be a headache. Choose the method that fits your needs, compare costs, and you're good to go. If you have any questions or your own tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more financial hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.